The Owl Espresso Machine G3006 is designed with a thermal balance brewing head that ensures the perfect temperature for a consistently superior coffee extraction. Equipped with a powerful extraction system, the machine optimizes efficiency with its extended 2-meter heating pipe and 1500-watt power, delivering exceptional coffee quality. The stylish dual display of the G3006 allows real-time monitoring of brewing pressure, temperature, and time, while its customizable brewing program adapts to user preferences. Featuring an upgraded steam wand, the machine offers effortless control and a dual-hole nozzle, making milk frothing accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Maintenance is straightforward with the Owl Espresso Machine, thanks to its automatic pressure release and removable water tank and drip tray, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The machine's sleek design in ivory white not only enhances any kitchen decor, but also makes it an ideal gift for coffee enthusiasts seeking a professional experience at home.